try to understand. Now first we draw the diagram. Yes, mute the microphone. Who is not muting? Who is that? Just name. Now, in the given figure, identify 11. In the one page. One page. In the given figure, identify. In the given figure, one page is sufficient. In the given figure, identify. Now we are given the figure. There are 3 lines L, M, N. There are 3 lines L, M, N. Wait. 1 minute. Yesterday's class you leave 3 pages. Chalo. Thank you. Okay. In the given figure, we draw line L. Then L is parallel to M. L is parallel to line M and M. Page number 147. LMN they are parallel. LMN they are parallel. Draw without drawing. Now it is clear. LMN. Yes. Now there are 3. Right. There are 3 lines. 147. There are 3 lines LMN. Yes. Mute the microphone. LMN. Then we have one line we have R. We have one line R. Then we have one line R. This is my R line. Then we have S line. Then we have S line, RS, S line, then R, then this is my S line. Then we have one more line, Q. No, this is 11th one. No, not for all this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We want the information from this diagram. So first we draw this diagram. Then we have the Q line. Then we have the right. Then we have right. No. Yes. No, we are able to see. Then we have Q line. Now we have the point. No, this is my. You see the adjustment of. Yes, B. This is my point B. This is my point E. There they meet. This is my point B. This is my point E. This is my point G. There they meet. G. Then this is my point D. Draw this diagram D. Then where they cut, this is my point A. Alright, A. This is my point C. G. This is my point F. Where the line cut. Now these are the information given to us. First, there are 3 lines parallel, L, M, N. they are cut by the line RSQ. RSQ. R line, S line and Q line. 3 line element, they are cut by 3 lines RSQ. First, 3 pairs of parallel lines. Identify first. Yes. So first, wait, 3 pairs of parallel lines. 3 pairs of parallel lines. 3 pairs of parallel lines we have to write. You have to write 3 pairs of parallel lines. Yes. So what are 3 pairs of parallel lines? Yes. See here. What is parallel line means? They do not intersect each other. So L and M, they do not intersect. So L is parallel to M. Then M and N, they are also parallel because they are not intersecting. So M is parallel to N. So 3 parallel lines are L, M, N. So we write L is parallel. For parallel we use 2 vertical lines. So L is parallel to M. Underline this. And M is parallel to N. L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N. Clear? So 3 parallel line means line L is parallel to line M. M is parallel to N. So parallel we write the vertical line. Parallel means the symbol is 2 vertical line. Denote the symbol parallel. See, 3 parallel lines L, M, N, they are parallel to each other. Yes. L, 3 pairs. Okay. If you want, you can write here. L is parallel to M. That is 1 pair. Wait. L is parallel to M. That is 1 pair. Yes. L is parallel to M. Then M is parallel to N. M is parallel to N. Wait no, my dear. L is parallel to right. L is parallel to M first. Then M is parallel to N second. Now third is L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. So there are 3 pairs of parallel lines. Is it clear? There are 3 pairs of parallel line. M is parallel to M. M is parallel to N. Then L is parallel to N. These 3 lines are parallel. Now second, 2 pairs of intersecting line. Second, 2 pairs of intersecting line means both the line meet each other at one common point. Now I have to make use of this diagram. Now second is 2 pairs of intersecting line. Yes. B, 2 pairs of intersecting line. 2 pairs of intersecting line. Intersecting lines means they line cut each other at common point. 2 pairs of intersecting line. So the lines they cut each other. The lines cut each other at common point. Now see here. Now if you see this, the line Q and the line S, they cut each other at common point F. No? Yes or no? This is my Q, this is my S. They cut each other at common point F. Yes or no? Yes. The lines, we can take the line Q and S, right? Line Q and S, line Q and line S, line Q and line S are intersecting line. are intersecting line, then which is next? Q and S we have considered. Then Q and S, then R and S. R and S, they also intersect each other. So write line Q and line S are intersecting line, and write on further, and intersect each other. Line Q and line S are intersecting line and intersect each other at common point. Yes, what is the common point? At line Q and line S intersect each other at F, at common point F. So this is one pair. Now second, line R and line S, they intersect each other. Second, yes. So I am writing this. I am writing this side. You write line R and line S are intersecting lines. It is clear, right? Line R. Wait. Now it is clear, right? Line R and line S. Line R. Second pair. Line R and line S. Line R and line S are intersecting lines. My dear, we are no. Wait, we are not writing C. We are continuing with B. We have to write two pair. One pair is Q and S. Now second pair is R and S. Line R and line S are intersecting line and intersect each other at common point. Yes, because line R and line S, they intersect each other at common point B. At common point B, they intersect each other. Very good. Now we write C. So intersecting, because see here, no. How we see here? This is my R, this is my S. Where they cut each other at point B, no. Where the line R and line S meet, they meet each other at common point B. Now third is concurrent lines. Wait, concurrent lines. Wait. Now we have to write concurrent lines. See here, yesterday I have told you concurrent line means, the lines, they meet each other at common point. The line, they meet each other at one common point. If you, wait. See here. See. Wait no, my dear. Wait no. Have patience. Yes, common point F. Now concurrent line means the lines meet each other at one common point. If you take the example of line R, line S, line L, these three lines, they meet each other at common point B. So line R, S, L are concurrent lines. First example is lines R, S, L. R, S, L, they meet each other at common point B, no? Lines R, S, L meet each other at point B. Line R and line S are intersecting line and intersect each other at so line, that it is clear. So line RSL, line RSL are concurrent lines, right? So wait, no, it is clear, right? Line RSL, they are concurrent lines. because if you see the line R, this is my line R, this is my line R, this is my line L, this is my line L, and this is my line S. These three lines, they meet each other at common point B. So whenever three lines or more lines meet each other at common point, those lines are concurrent lines. Those lines are concurrent lines. Correct? Draw that diagram. Draw that diagram. Now we take second example. We take the no, you can take the second example as Q, S, and N. Right. Right, sir. Right, sir. Line Q, S, N. We take next example as Q, S, and N. Three lines, 1, 2, 3, they meet each other at common point F. Right, first. Line Q, S, N. Yes. It is clear, right? Now third example is line Q. Second example of C, concurrent line. Concurrent line means the line meet each other, three or more line meet each other at common point. Yes. Right. Now we take now let us take the line Q. This is my 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 line Q. Yes. Then we have line S. Draw this. No, even though line is there, you draw separately. This is my line S. This is my line S. And they meet each other. And this is third is my line N. So Q, S, N. Q, S, N. They meet each other at common point F. Draw this. We want this diagram separately. Q. You can draw after writing, no problem. So lines Q, S, N meet each other. Line Q, S, N meet each other at common point. At common point F. So lines. Right. So lines. Q, S, N are concurrent lines. So they are concurrent lines because they meet each other at. This is my line Q, this is my line S, and this is my line N. So all three meet each other at F. So this is my point of concurrence. So there are three lines Q, S, N. It is clear. So line Q, S, N are concurrent lines. Yes. Line Q, S, N are concurrent lines. Line Q, S, N are concurrent lines. Now draw it again. Collinear points. Draw this diagram. What is there? Who is presenting next period? Yes, do not present. Do not present any. ठीक. You have to draw this. Yes. Yes. See, all of you are not muting the microphone. Draw the diagram again. because we draw separately. हाँ, we draw. See here, we don't have, we don't see we do not draw the diagram again. That is for your understanding I have drawn. There is no. You can see in the video afterwards. Now D. Wait. D. Now mute the microphone. D. Yes. D collinear point. Yes. D. See here, both of you will not be allowed. This you remember. Mute the microphone. We are now onwards. I will not upload a single video because you are not paying attention. Write this. Alright. Collinear points. Right. Collinear points. Now we have to identify collinear point. Collinear point means all the points they lie on the same line. So first you have to identify the collinear points. If you see the point ACF, yes, if you see the line Q, on line Q all the points A, C, F, all the 3 points they are on the line Q. Draw this. So point ACF. Yes, point ACF. Yes, we'll see. Point ACF are collinear points. Points ACF are collinear points. Now let us take collinear means they lie on the same line. ACF, all these 3 points they lie on the line Q. Whenever all the 3 points they lie on the line Q, lie on the same line, they are collinear point. Now let us take another example. If you take line S, if you take line S, BDF, if you take the line S, this is my line S, BDF, all the, yes, so write points BDF, collinear point, this is Q, not Z, Q. This is my Q, line Q, ACF. So write point BDF. Point BDF are collinear points. Points BDF are collinear points. Then another example of collinear. B. No. B. Wait, no. Now see here. Wait, no. We'll see, no. Now see. Now on the line on the line R. Wait, no. हेलो, बोलिए. बोलिए सुन रहा हूँ मैं. यस बोलिए, सुन रहा हूँ मैं. बोर्ड क्लियर आ रहा है. बोर्ड इज देयर. नो, इट इज क्लियर. थोड़ा फोन का सेटिंग देखिए. द लाइन, नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ से भी दिख रहा है, बोर्ड क्लियर दिख रहा है, एंड मेनी आर एबल टू सी, नो. ठीक है. क्योंकि नहीं, क्लियर दिख रहा है हमारे यहाँ से. देखो कुछ भी. Now, which points are collinear? Wait, no. BEG on line R. On line R, the points are B, BGE, BGE, BG, BEG. BEG are the point. BEG. BEG. Yes. Points BEG are collinear points. Point BEG are collinear points because they lie on the line R. Point CD, yes, very good. Point CD, yes, wait, point CD, they lie on the line M. Point CDE, they lie on the line M. Point CDE, this is my line M. CDE, yes, point CDE, it is coming clear. Point CDE are collinear points. Point CDE are collinear points. Point CDE are collinear points. Right. Point CDE are right. Point CDE are collinear points. Wait, no. Then E, line whose point of intersection is C. Right on this collinear point is over. There are ACF are collinear, BDF are collinear, BG are collinear, then CD are collinear points. So total there are 4. It is clear, right? It is showing clear, no? F, where? The point, which one? Point CD are there, no? CD, they are on the line M. No, F, no, see here, FGR. FG, they lie, see, for collinear we want 3 or more than 3 points. Remember, for collinear point we want 3 or more than 3 points. On the line N, there are only 2 points. So we will not talk about collinear of N. Is it clear? That will be displayed today. See, concurrent line means when 3 or more line meet each other at one common point. When 3 or more line meet each other at when 3 or more line, Pranav Pujari, why you are presenting? Pranav Pujari? Nobody will present anything. So collinear point means 3 or more points. On the line N there are 2 points. We cannot say F and G are collinear because we talk about collinear point with respect to 3 or more than 3 points. Now we will see E, line whose point of intersection E, lines whose whose point of intersection, line whose point of intersection is C. C is the point of intersection of whose line? Yes. C is the point of intersection of which line? Tell me. C is the point of intersection of line which? Q and M. Yes. Right. line Q and M, write on this, Q and M, right, lines Q and M, Q and M, point C is the intersection point of line Q and line M. It is clear, right? Q and M, Q and M. See here, this is my line. This is my line Q. This is my line M. They meet each other at point C. So C is the intersection of line Q and line M. Now next F is 2 points of intersection. 2 points of intersection. 2 points of intersection. 2 points of intersection. Yes, what are 2 points of intersection? Tell me, what are 2 points of intersection? Yes, 2 points of intersection. See, one is A. A is the intersection, no? Point A is the intersection. Point A is the intersection of line Q and line L. Then you can also take the point D, which is the intersection of line S, line M. So you can take the point A and D. Points A and D. Points A and D. Point, wait, it is clear, no? See, point A is the intersection of Q and L. See here, A is the intersection of, this is my line Q and this is my line L. This is my line L. And A is the intersection of these two lines Q and L. Now second D, if you take the line S, if you take the line S, if you take the line S and if you take the line M, yes, S and M, they meet, yes, Q, L, this is the answer, points A and D. So A is the intersection of Q and L, D is the intersection of S and N. D is the intersection of S and N. D is the intersection of S and N. Now last point, 2 points of concurrence. 2 points of concurrence, that is G part. 2 points of concurrence. Points A and D, we have drawn the line Q, line Q, line L, the point of intersection is A. Line S and line M, point of intersection is D. Yes. 2 points of concurrence. 2 points of concurrence. Yes, line S and line M, they meet each other at D. Right. Line S and line M, they meet each other at point D. Now it is asked 2 points of concurrence. 2 points of concurrence. Yes. Now see here, 2 points of concurrence. So first you find 2 pair of concurrent line. One is Q, one is line Q. This is my line Q. Then this is my line S. There is line S. Then there is line N. There is line N. So these 3 lines, line Q, S, N, they cut each other at point F. So F is point of concurrence. F is point of concurrence. So write F is point of concurrence. F is point of concurrence. Point of concurrence means 3 concurrent lines meet each other Three concurrent line meet each other at common point. Now let us take another concurrent line R, S and L. You can take another R, S, L. You can take the line R, S, L. You can take the line R, S, L. Concurrent line. You have to take the concurrent line, and where all the three concurrent line meet, that is my point of concurrence. Yes. Now let us take the line L. This is my line R. Let us take the line. This is my line R. R, L. Let us take the line R. This is my line R. Then, 1 minute. Then this is my line S. Write on this. And this is my line L. This is my line. This is my line L. So R, S, L, they meet each other at P, point B. So point B is the point of concurrence. B is the point of concurrence. Alright, now let me complete this part. No. B is the point of concurrence. So 2 point of concurrence are F and B. There are 3 concurrent lines Q, S, N. Their point of concurrence is F. Then there are 3 concurrent lines R, S, L. Point of concurrence is. Yes.